The DJI Avata 360, yes, that name is still leaked, appears to be DJI's first serious jump into the consumer 360-degree FPV drone space. According to FPV insider Igor Bogdanov, this drone could launch in early 2026, and it's clearly aimed at immersive content creators, not racers. And honestly, about time. Why does this drone matter so much? Because DJI isn't just entering a new category, they're challenging it. Right now, Insta360 dominates 360-degree action and aerial creativity. The Avata 360 looks like DJI's direct response to the Insta360 A1, but with DJI's secret sauce, rock-solid stabilization, a massive ecosystem, and FPV experience that actually works. This could be DJI's biggest moment since the original Mavic changed everything. Now let's talk about the heart of this thing, the camera. We're hearing dual-lens 360-degree capture, with rumored resolutions of 5.7K and possibly even 8K 360 degrees. That's huge. Why? Because shooting in 360 degrees lets you reframe later into crisp 4K plus footage, pull multiple angles from a single flight, and never worry about where the camera was pointing. Missed the shot? Nope, it's still there. And of course, DJI stabilization is expected to do its magic. Horizon leveling, cinematic smoothing, the works. FPV chaos, but make it buttery smooth. On the flight side, this drone is rumored to be built on the DJI Avata FPV platform, which means full support for DJI FPV goggles and a low-latency live feed. It's designed for indoor flying, tight spaces, and dynamic shots that feel impossible with normal drones. Protective propeller guards are expected, making it more beginner-friendly, while still offering manual control for experienced pilots. Basically, fun and safe, mostly. Now here's the part that made my eyebrows go up. Under 250 grams. If this rumor is true, it's a massive deal. That means fewer legal restrictions, no registration in many countries, and easier travel. Pulling off a 360-degree FPV drone under that weight would be an insane engineering achievement. DJI doing DJI things. AI features could also be a game changer. There's talk of DJI Flight Hub 2.0 integration, with AI-assisted path smoothing, optional obstacle avoidance, and, this is big, automatic 360-degree video stitching. Fly, edit, no manual stitching. Creators everywhere just smiled. Pricing? Still a mystery. Estimates suggest around $1,100 to start, with pro bundles reaching $1,900. Whether goggles and controllers are included? Yeah, that's the stress point. Of course there are risks. Battery life is a big question. 360-degree cameras and FPV chew power fast. Storage speed, heat management, and final specs could all change. And Insta360 isn't sleeping either. So who is this drone for? FPV filmmakers, travel vloggers, YouTubers, and VR creators will love it. FPV racers and still photographers? Probably not your thing. Bottom line, if DJI Avatar 360 launches anywhere near these leaks, immersive drone content is about to level up, big time.